Amazingly, studies recently show that those who are actively sexual could reduce stress. This does not mean to run out and have sex with multiple partners rather than to engage in intimate relationships with someone you trust. In recent studies, couples were asked to define just how sex relieves stress. According to the results, the couples claimed that sex relaxed the mind and body. The couples felt less stressed after doing math tests and public speeches. They were able to relax and stay alert a lot more. Also, according to studies outlined by news reports, intercourse relaxed the mind and body indeed. The studies also show that masturbation relieves stress to a degree, more so than those who did not engage in such actions did. Still, those who had intercourse relieved stress more so than those who masturbated did. According to studies, blood pressure quickly returned to its normal levels after intercourse either way. In these studies, it showed that the men and women who did not have sex had higher blood pressure than those who did. Sex has proven to relieve stress. It makes sense. Men and women are intended to express intimacy in a lifelong relationship. For this reason, sex is involved, which should be enjoyed at both parties' convenience. Of course, both persons must enjoy the activity to relieve stress. Some people do not enjoy sex at all, which causes them stress to think of engaging in intimacy in the first place. After sex, a person often feels relaxed. During night, the person finds it easier to sleep. Morning sex is enjoyable, yet it can drain the energy. Thus, strenuous sex in the waking hours should be avoided. Enjoy mild, soft, and passionate sexual relations at this time. Sex is relaxing, if you enjoy it, of course. Sex experts tell us that engaging in this activity twice daily is great exercise and helps to relax the mind and body. If this is true, then we have guided relaxation through intimacy alone. So why are so many damn people still searching for answers to relieve stress? There you have it, people. Not alcohol, not cigarettes, not drugs of any kind. Just right out plain, good old-fashioned, mind-blowing, jungle-loving sex. Leave all thoughts and creative responses in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys Monday at our regular time. Peace.